take the blue path, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red path, you stay in Wonderland. I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Song Gao Jurong I, it's me. I just find it interesting that there is a red path and a blue path over at Jurong West. Red path is for cycling, blue path is for pedestrians. Let's see where this leads. Yeah, I should keep to my lane. Blue path for pedestrians. This jogging and cycling path intersects the construction work required for the Jurong Region Line. It has been boarded up for now. Probably once the construction is complete, this place will return to normalcy. But for now, it makes absolutely no difference whether you take the blue path or the red path, because it becomes the grey path in the end. The only thing separates them is the yellow line that denotes pedestrian or cycling. We're actually just next to the Penn Island Expressway, and this is the overhead train tracks, the Jurong Region Line. And if you can see, we are now returning to normalcy. This is what used to be the red path and blue path. This is how it looks like. I guess the grass was we just recently cut. Was it just a few minutes ago? The fresh smell of cut grass, or the cut smell of fresh grass. Interesting. Is this a banyan tree? Banyan trees are protected species in Singapore. Well, just because it's protected doesn't mean it's not immune to landscaping maintenance. This must have been a disused soccer court. It's not exactly a full soccer court. Judging from the looks of the goalposts, it seems to have been a long while since somebody played soccer using this. You can clearly see the point in time where the grass is cut versus the grass is not cut. I guess the grass cutter heroes are over there. Well, enjoy your break. I'll be on my way. You can clearly see the difference between the different lamp posts. This is a LED stainless steel lamp post. And alternating it is a blue color regular steel iron lamp post. Wait, isn't this also LED? Can't see with the sun glare. Okay. One illuminates the pedestrian side, one illuminates the cyclist side. And here it is, the freshly painted, the bright and colourful. Wait a minute. This building is in the middle of being painted. Unfortunately, I can't be here all day to host watch the paint dry stream, so I guess I will have to leave it at that. Well, enjoy the nice smell of freshly painted walls. I'll be on my way. There's a skate park. decades, but it's still fun to play with. I guess the basketball court grounds will need maintenance as well. This direction leads you to the Nanyang Technological University. That's not part of where the blue path and red path leads. Okay, and we have found the end of the path. All path leads to a regular pedestrian crossing. Thank you for watching. This has been another Song Gao Jurong production. Subscribe and click the notification button to be informed of future content. And I hope you found this video to be bright and colorful. Waiting for your new coat of paint. Let's see what lies beyond the Hoheim bridge. Yeah, it's pedestrian walkway all the way down Woodley. And that's it.